Welcome to Interlock. We specialize in beautiful metal roofing that will protect your home for a lifetime. With an Interlock roof, you're protecting and improving your home and investing in your home, all while making it more beautiful. It's strong, durable, and very lightweight, important if you live in an earthquake zone. It's extremely weather resistant. Our roofs are tested and rated by independent agencies for extreme hail and wind. You'll save on energy costs and make your home cooler inside during the summer. And no more raking snow off your roof in the winter. You'll get natural protection from fires starting on your roof with a Class A fire rating available. You'll be eligible for homeowner insurance discounts. Many insurance companies will offer you savings for having a metal roof. A protective coating on both sides of your new roof. And of course, our lifetime limited warranty. Finally, the best reason of all to choose an Interlock roof. You won't have to do it ever again. It will be the last roof that you put on your home. No more worries about leaks or missing shingles or the mess and hassle of a new roof. And no more ugly roof. Just a beautiful metal roof that will stay looking great for years and years. But don't take our word for it. See what our customers are saying about their decision. When you get a moment, check out our reviews section. You'll find hundreds of customers who have taken the time to write in and tell us how happy they are that they chose an Interlock roof. Choose from many designer colors and 5 different profiles, and every roof is backed by our lifetime limited warranty. And every Interlock roof is custom designed to your home. We manufacture all the flashing and trim to match the color you choose. Thank you for spending a few minutes on our website. If you haven't already, fill out our online form for more information or to get a free quote. Welcome to Interlock Lifetime Roofing, where you'll never re-roof again. Thanks for stopping by.